After a mistrial motion delayed jury deliberations yesterday in the Stephen Jones murder trial, Coconino County Superior Court Judge Dan Slayton addressed the defense and prosecutors earlier this morning.
I'm going to deny the motion for a mistrial. I don't find that Mr. Barker intentionally, with any kind of malice or calculation, deliberately or through some sleight of hand, tried to mislead the jury in this case.
Slayton then welcomed the jury back to the court and read additional instructions to consider statements made by Jones.
Members of the jury, the court has determined that a statement inadvertently made by Mr. Barker during the prosecution's initial closing argument was inaccurate. The statement is as follows. Now, it wasn't until later, of course, when he had an audience with the police in a police station on the record that he started talking about, well, these people were trying to kill me, end quote. You shall be informed that Mr. Jones made the following statements while seated in Officer Park's patrol car and prior to his interview at the Flagstaff police station. 1, why were they trying to hurt me? 2, I thought I was going to die. You are to consider these statements as evidence. As such, you are free to accept these statements in whole or in part and to give them as much weight as you feel they deserve.
The jury was then instructed to continue with its deliberations concerning the case. No verdict was decided today. Deliberations will continue tomorrow. Last night, a public meeting was held at Flagstaff High School to discuss the evacuation yesterday after a 6th threatening note was found at the school. At the meeting, Principal Tony Cullen and Police Chief Kevin Treadway answered questions from the community and told parents the best thing they can do is explain to their kids that writing these notes is a felony and could lead to 10 years in jail.
Basically, under the Arizona revised statutes, we are investigating a felony. Interference with an educational institution is the statute. Please trust me and know that, again, this remains a top priority for us, and we're not leaving any stone uncovered. And I firmly believe that we are doing what's necessary to keep this school safe and the rest of the school safe.